Hello Aries, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is your love reading. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you're dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. Please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation, and for the personal readings the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what are the messages for Aries. So let's see what are your energies. What's the overall energy for Aries? So on your side we have the sun. Okay, so you're really very happy. Let's see what are your person's energies. Okay, 6 of Cups. Okay, the most likely outcome is the 3 of Wands. Okay, so Aries, with the sun being there on your side, you are definitely very happy with this person. Maybe since we have 6 of Cups on your person's side, so maybe you have reconciled with each other, can be that, or maybe both of you are just trying to thinking of the good times you spent together. So you are also happy, and this person with the 6 of Cups is feeling nostalgic. Maybe both of you are talking about the quality time you spent with each other, or the time you have already spent with each other, something like that, or maybe you have reconciled. The most likely outcome, we have the 3 of Wands. To me it seems like, though we'll clarify what it is, but at the first instance, seeing these 2 cards, what I feel is it is something like, okay, ready to go for the next step. It's something like that. Anyway, let's see, because this 3 of Wands as the most likely outcome is creating a little bit of second thoughts in my mind as to what it is. So let's see, let's clarify the sun. Let's clarify the sun on your side, lady. So for the sun, we have the Queen of Wands. Okay, and the 6 of Swords. Okay, seems to be a different story perhaps than what I thought on those 3 cards. Then this makes sense. Let's see anyway, we have the 9 of Wands also. Okay. Let's see what is the 6 of Cups then. Why is this? Please clarify the 6 of Cups. So for the 6 of Cups, we have the King of Pentacles, the World, and the Knight of Swords. Okay. So let's clarify this 3 of Wands also. Why is this 3 of Wands here as the most likely outcome? So for the 3 of Wands, we have the King of Cups. Okay. The 7 of Swords and the 2 of Pentacles. Okay. Seems to be a different story rather than what it appeared on the surface with 3 cards. So on your side, Aries, we have the Queen of Wands, the 6 of Swords, and the 9 of Wands. So what I feel here is that there was a long-standing situation because of which maybe you were waiting for somebody here. Okay, now you are focusing on yourself. You are letting go of all the worries and all the tensions, whatever it was which was holding you back. There was something, maybe you were waiting for this person since a long time, and you felt that there is no point in waiting. While you were waiting for this person, that was the time when you really felt depleted. Your energy was depleted, you were not happy, you were gloomy. Now you want to let it go. You feel that it's enough and it is a time to focus on yourself. So that is what you are doing. With the Queen of Wands, you are realizing your power, you are realizing your self-worth, you are realizing your goodness. You're focusing on yourself totally, and that is what is the reason that you are so happy with the Sun card. So this is the time when you are focusing on yourself, you are focusing all the energy on yourself, and now you are really happy because of that. So it is all about self-worth, realizing your self-worth, and stop waiting for the other person somehow. And that is why this now 6 of Cups makes sense, that this person wants to reconcile perhaps with you. With the king of, for that we have the king of pentacles, the world, and the knight of swords. So what I feel here is that this person is a person who is very, very abundant, stable financially in every way. This person is really very stable, and they want a new beginning. Definitely they really want a new beginning. They really want to rush in towards you to have this new beginning. So they really want to reconcile with you. And one more thing which I'm getting is that maybe this person is in the habit of like coming in and then sneaking out somehow. Okay, maybe they want a new beginning, maybe they want to reconcile, but then they have the habit of sneaking out. That's what I feel. And that is why this Three of Wands makes sense. This is something, it's definitely letting go or walking away. So what I feel is you are walking away from this person now. For that we have, for the Three of Wands, we have the King of Cups, the Seven of Swords, Two of Pentacles, and the Eight of Pentacles. So what I feel here is, in spite of having a lot of emotions in this situation, you are still undecided. You are indecisive because this person is in the habit of getting away with their deeds. This person is in the habit of doing this sneaky behavior. And you are really working hard to come to a conclusion, to come to a decision. And somehow what I feel is you want to focus on your self-worth, you want to focus on your work, you want to focus on yourself, and you really want to quit this situation and move on. Okay, so you are ready to embark on a new journey, turning your back towards this relationship and towards this person. That's what I feel, because you are you really don't want to deal with the situation when you really feel very bad when this person sneaks out or cheats on you or gets away with things. So Aries, the reading is totally different than as expected while on first three cards. Extra message here is the number 23 or number 5 may be of some significance for you. Take a chance on love. When we love, our lives are changed forever. So you have to take a chance in this situation. It depends on you. Whatever you decide, you stay or you leave. But yes, the time is perhaps turbulent. The decision is not easy for you, and you really have to take a chance on love. You accept it or you leave it. Whatever it is, the choice is yours. So Aries, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.